on craft with us. Of course, I have my mom, and we have our guest star, Bear, joining us today. And on today's episode, we are going to show you how to turn these witch wreath forms from the Dollar Tree into a wreath. So the supplies that you're going to need for this project today are going to be a bunch of these little decorative mesh in whatever color you want to use. We have a couple different colors here. We also have some tulle that we purchased at a fabric store off the bolt. And then we have several items to decorate, such as some ribbons, some of the pumpkin picks, and most of our supplies today are from the Dollar Tree, which makes this a very budget-friendly Halloween decor item that's super easy to put together. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how to do it, and we'll be right back. Guys, so the first thing you're gonna wanna need is the wire witch hat from Dollar Tree. And then you're going to need some wire mesh. So you can get these rolls at the Dollar Tree as well. Or you can also purchase the by the yard at the fabric store, whatever is convenient, both will work. And you're going to also need some wire or some pipe cleaners.
Yeah.
So
like
we
at the
picked
Dollar Tree store.
We picked this up at Dollar Tree. You get red and black, but we're just going to be using the black for this project. And then you're also going to need some wire cutters, and that is everything you need to start. So first you're going to go ahead and take your witch form, and you're going to take your material and you're going to tie it at the top of your witch hat. From there, you're going to take your material and just wrap it around like so until you get something that looks like this.
Looks good.
And then you can also go ahead and kind of fluff it out a little bit and adjust it as you go. But I like this look because it gives that wrapped look to it without being too neat and tidy. And then at the end, you'll take the wire and wrap it around the form to tie it off. When you do that, you want to make sure that it's tied off to the back of the piece, so that way when you hang it up, you won't see that part. Right? So we'll go ahead and show you some clips of us doing that, and then we'll be right back. Alright guys, so next up you're going to take your rolled mesh pieces. You're going to cut them in about 6 to 8 inch strips. And then you're going to need an inch or two of your wire. And then you're going to basically take your pieces and connect them to your form, and it's going to look a little messy at first, but then as you get going it should fill up and be more fuller, and then at the end you can adjust them. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll be right back. Guys, so welcome back. We are all done, so we're gonna go ahead and show you the finished product. This was pretty simple and easy to do, but it was time consuming, just because you have to twist each and every
wires on the bottom,
every individual piece to connect it to the frame to get the shape. But once that's all done, it actually comes together pretty quickly. We didn't have too much of an issue with it with this one. So we're really happy with how it turned out. So we're going to go ahead and show you real quick what they turned out looking like, and then I'll show some close-ups after that.
And this one's mine I made, and this I'm going to start from the bottom. And I put the orange and the purple, and I put the two shiny pumpkins, and then these two little purple and the orange, and then these little pom-pom balls on there. Mm-hmm. And then I glue the back, and then I glue the little glitter balls on there.
Mine turned out a little bit different from Mom, so here it is in all its glory. We, like Mom, we tied these little cords at the top here so that way you could hang it on whatever you'd like. And then I actually glued my little bats to my little sprigs here. So we have purple and orange, and then we have 2 of the glittered pumpkin picks from the Dollar Tree. And then my bottom is also orange and purple. So that is what it turned out looking like. Guys, so that is the end of this week's episode. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button so that way you're not left out next week when we upload our next video. And we will see you guys next week. Bye! We'll just title the video "Mom Talks About Balls."
No, put a little. That's why they love me. Oh, and then I had a bat on it too. There's my bat. See?
Mom, they can't
Oh,
even see
there's
the
my
bat.
bat. Oh, there he is. Yeah, you gotta be in there. Everybody's looking, waiting for you. Say hi.
Okay.
No kissing, okay? You kiss them. We're back. I just put orange eyes on there. Shiny balls on there. What? Shiny eyeballs?
They're bleak. I'll hold that.
Man, we don't know what these are. Then we glue these little balls on there. Did I say that right?
No, they're called pom-poms.
Oh.